Okay, student. Today we are going to do about solubility. So solubility is depend on the different factors. So one is the surface area and temperature, and one more stirring. So three factors we observe now. Okay, we observe one factor here. Temperature. If temperature is increased, solubility will increase. No? See. So trying the drug, we have copper sulfate. So take the copper sulfate. So copper sulfate is a blue in color. So blue in color. So after that, hold the test tube with help of test tube holder. Okay. Now, so transfer the water into the test tube. So give water bottle. Where water bottle? Yes. Hold this. Okay. So how to transfer? No. So take 30 ml of water. So 30 ml. Okay, 30 ml. And 30 ml of water is transferred to the test tube. Okay. So you observe here. So only crystals form of copper sulfate is settled at the bottom of the test tube. So we will take some time for dissolving. So karagadani konta time anedi padutundi. So while stirring also will take some more time. So factor temperature is more effective for solubility. So what you want to do is police. So now apply heat. Yes. So we will take some time, no? Just you observe to keep the test tube with help of test tube holder on the mesh. So while here, that is white case. Just you want to observe the heating. So see, anyone hold it, Manasa hold it. Okay? Yes, don't touch the mesh. Hold this. Keep near, keep like this. Okay, what about thermometer? And with help of thermometer, you check out the temperature and temperature of the solution. And observe the bottom of the test tube first. So what happened here? So ఇక్కడ bottom నుంచి మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్టయితే బ్లూ కలర్ అనేది పైకి వస్తూ వస్తుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సొల్యూషన్? So temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. You want to see? Yeah. So mercury level at 40 degrees. So not 40, 38 degrees. Okay. So anyone come? Yes, come. Harini, see. So mercury level is 40. Okay, keep temperature increasing. Keep test tube on while case. So did you observe any changes?
Yes.
Okay. Slowly here level is increasing, no? So blue color level increasing on heating. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇనిషియలీ చాలా తక్కువగా ఉండింది. సో ఫైనల్గా చూడండి బ్లూ కలర్ పైకి వెళ్తుంది చూడండి. కీప్ టెస్ట్ బై ద వైల్ గ్యాస్. సో నో ప్రాబ్లమ్. ద టెంపరేచర్ ఈజ్ అరౌండ్ 48. ఓకే. అబ్జర్వ్ నో? ఎస్ బోల్డ్. Okay. So blue color level is increased here. So some more copper sulfate is there. Okay. Suppose you can take any drug for dissolving purpose. If you apply heat, what one more spatula. Now stir with help of spatula. See, total solution is became blue color, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So some more particle settle at bottom, no?
Yes, sir.
So which type of solution now is? So there is no particle.
Yes, sir.
Did you observe any particle?
No, sir.
This one is a saturated, no?
Yes, sir.
Saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Okay. Okay. This is about what I can say solubility. So solubility so is depend on the temperature. Okay. Hold it. Next. So take one more test tube. This is a boiling test tube. So this boiling test tube is prepared with borosilicate glass. So what you want to do is, so take pour water. So hold it, glass. So take first initially 40 ml of water we want to take. So with help of beaker, so reading 40. So 40 ml of water and transfer into the test tube. Okay. So now take little bit of color. So with help of turmeric powder we can take with help of spatula and transfer into the test tube. Okay. See, particle is distributing now.
Yes, sir.
So observe now.
Yes,
There is
sir.
a diffusion. So particle is moving from one place to
Another place.
so some more particle is settled down.
Yes, sir.
So still. Okay, now. So total color, so yellow color particle is distributed throughout the water.
Yes, sir.
So now what you want to do is take another with help of pipette out 10 ml of solution from the test tube. So 10 ml you can take 5 ml. Hold it properly. Hold it. You hold it. Yes. So we required 5 ml. 5 ml means ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 1 ml. From here to here 2 ml. Okay, 2 ml. So 2 ml of this solution transfer into the another test tube. Okay. Okay. So now, so total the solution is 40 ml. But 40 ml already we have taken 2 ml. So remaining 40 minus 2, 38 ml of water. So remaining water we want to add into the test tube. So for exactly we want to take a measuring cylinder. So first 20. First 20 ml we require. 20 or 30? Better to take 30. Okay. Okay, 30 ml. So transfer into the test tube. Okay, 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, remaining 8 ml is there, no? Yes. So with the help of measuring cylinder. So what about funnel? Hold it. Hold it. Yes. So transfer the water into the hold it. Hold here. Okay, right. So 8 ml of water is required. So this is the funnel. 8 ml. So what about, okay, so 8 ml we prepared, no? Wait. Okay, 8 ml. So first one, the first solution is this one, test tube A. Test tube A, hold it. And test tube B. From test tube B, and pipette of 2 ml of solution. 2 ml. So just press it and keep the pipette and inside the test tube and pipette of 2 ml. Okay. So 1, 2. Okay. And this solution transfer into the another test tube. Yes, hold it. Please hold it here. And transfer this solution. So 2 ml, no? So 2 ml of color solution.
Yes, sir.
And remaining, you want to add water, no?
Yes, sir.
How much water?
38 ml.
Huh?
38 ml.
38 ml. Hold it. 38 ml. So 30 ml of water. Okay. ml. Okay. Now add this water into the test tube. Yes, now you observe. See, my dear. So this is the test tube A. Then
Test tube
test tube
B.
Yes, this one hold it. Nandita hold it. Yes, keep here. See, observe this 3 test tube. So test tube 1, 3. See, the intensity of drug, the concentration of drug is more in the test tube A.
Yes, sir.
Concentration of drug. Concentration of not drug. We have taken turmeric powder, no?
Yes, sir.
Turmeric also one of the good medicine only. Okay. So turmeric, more concentration of turmeric in the test tube A in compared to B and compared to C. And you observe the particles. So particles, no? Say yes or no? The particles. What particle? Turmeric particles in the test tube. So same like this only. Any concentrated acid or base or concentrated drug, you want to do the dilution like this. Suppose here 10 ml of drug here. So remaining not 10 ml. Okay, 10 ml. So remaining 40 ml of water, no? So 40 ml of water total mean 50. So again 2 ml of solution you want to pipette out and transfer into the another test tube. And pipette out the 2 ml of solution and transfer into the finally third test tube you observe here, no? These 3 test tubes you observe, no? The intensity of the concentration of the turmeric powder is less in the test tube B, the test tube C. Say yes or no? Yes, sir. Doing like this, dilution if you do it like this. So final test tube or finally vessel can obtain less number of particles, no? Yes, yes or no? So more number of particles are distributed here.
Yes, sir.
And less number of particles are distributed. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Distribution process is called as diffusion, no? What is diffusion? So, movement of particle from one place to another place. So, okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, hold it. Okay.